What it do? This your boy Fred Drusser with the fifth quarter panel, and today we're doing a quick take. So we ain't got the panel on here because you know that snowstorm out here, winter storm, whatever they call it. And folk got powwow, so it's gonna be me by myself. So we're gonna call this some quick takes. We're gonna just talk about a few of the things dealing with these bands and shit. But today we're doing Jackson State University versus Jackson State University, Sonic Boom of the South. With the upperclassmen going against the lower classmen, and we just finna see how it do and see what it do. So goddamn me, without further ado. 1 and 2 and ready and play. Let's see what they got. Tuba over there cranking. Tuba dog cranking. All right, them tenors plucking. Tenors plucking. What we got? What we got, home team? Gumble's up there going crazy. Mind you, that's half the band. It ain't no excuse for no band to be like, we small and this, that, and the third. That's half the fucking band blowing. They crank, fuck, they didn't crank on anybody this season. That's smaller than a traveling band. Oh, they hold up. Come on, Tunnels, bring it up. Oh, yeah, I like this. First trumpet. Oh, they did that. They did that. We'll call it home team, away team. Home team. What they got? They singing with this shit. They singing. Yeah, they're preaching. They ain't playing. They preaching out there. See your dog team. Whole goddamn problem. Jackson State is who Jackson State say they is. Hands down. Them troopers gonna be a problem all year. Goddamn problem. Let that shine. Ain't nobody fucking with a side grown. Period. Look, got the boys right. 833 grad. Oh yeah. I don't see nobody fucking with them. The pen here look different over there. Trump funk screaming like a motherfucker. I'm fuck around and be drunk for this shit over. Trump is going stupid. Only Jackson State can better Jackson State. Tutor's going dumb. Johnny one know tonight, they blow like a motherfucker. All right, this is the last one, the away team. This is the last one I'm gonna play. Ain't gonna take it too long. think the away team got a little more sound than the home team, to be honest. Stacking that jump. The same team go on. I think that's the lower class. We could on the away side. We play one more for east side. I think Tuba's gonna be the biggest problem. They're gonna hurt everybody. Trump is going down too, but I think Tuba's gonna blow out every school they play. Oh, this is the last song. All right, blow it up. So y'all let me know in the comments who y'all think won, home team or away team. I'm gonna assume home team is upperclassmen, away team lowerclassmen. But I think away team was louder, honestly. But I think home team had the better music selection, even though they play the same song, the same goddamn band. Fuck. But y'all let me know what y'all think. Come back, holler at me, like, comment, subscribe, share, all that good shit. Holler back, fifth quarter panel. Quick takes.